In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best affiliate programs in Nigeria that are free to sign up, and also they also pays you in Naira. So if you're someone that have been looking for an affiliate program to sign up and have tried out other affiliate program and they are not accepting you, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be literally walking you through the 10 best affiliate program in Nigeria that are free to sign up, and also they also accept Nigeria. So the reason I decided to create this video is because I've been seeing a lot of comments right here on my channel from my subscribers, and they are literally telling me that some of the affiliate programs that I've been sharing with them are no longer accepting Nigeria. So that is the reason I decided to create this video, literally walking you through some of the affiliate programs that accept Nigeria. So the first affiliate program that we're going to be looking at right here is called Jumia affiliate program. And one thing I love about this platform is because this platform is going to be paying you straight into your local bank account. So it does not matter what kind of bank you're using. If you're using First Bank, Access Bank, they're going to pay you straight into your bank account. So all you need to do right here is to come over to this platform right here. And by the way, I'm going to be leaving the link to all the affiliate information right here in this video. Just go down to the video description right here and go sign up on this affiliate program. So all you need to do right here is to click on the register button right here to create an account. If you haven't created an account for yourself, you could just log in using your first name, your email address, put in your first name, your password, and select your country. Then you could just put in your phone number right here. So if you're a content creator, you're an affiliate marketer, or you have some kind of following right here on Instagram, you could just select that right here. So once you're done with that, and also they're gonna ask you to provide your website. But if you know you do not have a website or a blog, you could just provide your social media handle. Then once you're done with that, just click on I agree with that terms and conditions. So once you click on I agree with that terms and conditions, just click on the registration button right here. Click on the register button. So once you click on the register button right here, they're gonna send a confirmation email to your email address. They're gonna ask you to verify your account. So once you're done verify your account, you're gonna get access to their marketplace. Then you'll be able to promote their product. So the second affiliate marketing program that we're going to be looking right here is called Konga, and this affiliate marketing program is also similar to the first program I showed you guys earlier. And this affiliate marketing program is one of the biggest affiliate marketing program right here in Nigeria. For those of you who know, Konga is a kind of website where people go over there right here to purchase different kind of stuff. So it's also similar to Jumia, where people can also buy things, purchase for things and all of that. So you can just come over to the Konga affiliate marketing program right here, then click on create an account. So once you click on create an account right here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself by literally putting in your country, your first name, your last name, then putting your address, then just put in your phone number. Then once you're done putting in your phone number right here, just click on the submit button. So once you click on the submit button right here, I'm going to ask you also to verify your account. So once you verify your account, you are able to have access to their marketplace. So we'll start promoting. So like I said, I'm going to be leaving all the links to all the affiliate marketing program that I just mentioned right here in this video in the video description. And also you could also check the pinned comment right here, or you could go to the pinned comment right, check out the link. So the next affiliate marketing program right here on my list is called Fiverr. And guys, Fiverr is one of the biggest affiliate marketing program right here in the world. And one thing I love about Fiverr is that Fiverr accepts all Nigerians. It does not matter where you are in the world. If you're in Ghana, if you're in Togo, if you're in the US, if you're in Australia, right here you can just come out of Fiverr affiliate marketing program and create your account. So right here the payment method is through Payoneer, and Payoneer is also available worldwide. So you can literally create a Payoneer account worldwide right here. So all you need to do right here is to click on the join now button. So once you click on the join now button, it's going to take you to the Fiverr official page. So right here you're going to ask you to fill out your first name, your email address, then I'll ask you to put in a username for yourself. You should confirm your password. Then I'm going to ask you to select an account type. It could either be private or a company. Now I advise you go with the private one. And also they're going to ask you to select your traffic source. So they're going to ask you to just select your traffic source. If you know you have a traffic source, just type in yes. And also they're going to ask you your Skype ID. So they're going to ask you to put your Skype ID right here. But if you don't know how to create a Skype ID, you could just go over to Skype right here, create a new Skype account. So once you create a new Skype account right here, you'll be able to copy your Skype ID. So guys, this is how the Skype app literally looks like. So you could just download the app right here on your phone and create an account. So once you create an account, you're going to be able to locate your Skype ID at your profile. So you need to go to your profile menu. So once you click on the profile menu, you'll be able to locate your Skype ID. So right now I'm going to move on to the next affiliate program that literally accepts Nigeria. And the name of the affiliate program I'm going to be looking at right here is called wakanow.com. It's spelled WAKANOW. So I'm going to be putting the link to the affiliate program right here in the video description. So you just click on the link right here. So once you click on the link, you'll be able to bring you right here to where I am right here. So all you need to do right here is to click on become an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate right here, it's going to take you straight to the affiliate dashboard right here. So they're going to ask you to just put in your email address, then put in your phone number, then put in your agent's name. So you can just put in your name. It's not something that is complicated. So once you put in your name right here, you're going to be fine. Just click on continue right here and you'll be able to get access to affiliate program, and you can start promoting their offers. So the next affiliate program that we're going to be looking at right here is called Payoneer affiliate. And one thing I love about this affiliate program is that this affiliate program is going to give give you the ability to earn in foreign currencies. You could give you the ability to earn in dollars, in pounds, in and other currencies. And also it's going to be giving you the ability to create a US bank account that you can use to receive your funds, and then you could then convert your funds right here into your local bank account. And guys, I'm going to advise you guys to start earning in dollars, because right here $1 right here in Nigeria is over 1,000 naira. So earning in dollars right here is the best way for you to start making money right here. And by the way, I'm going to be creating a full detailed video about this program right here. I'm going to be walking you through how you can actually create an account right here on this platform. I'm going to be walking you through how you could, get a foreign bank account for yourself. But if you want to see the video, I advise you smash that subscribe button right here, like the video. And by the way, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Just go over to the comment section right here and drop your comment. So all you need to do right here is to click on start earning now. So once you click on start earning, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to apply for the affiliate program. You could just click on the apply button right here. So once you click on the apply button right here, you'll be able to start promoting their program. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a detailed video on that. If you don't want to see the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, don't forget to give the video a like if you're getting any value from the video. So the next affiliate marketing program right here on our list is called Bluehost. And guys, this platform is really awesome. And one thing I love about this platform is that this platform is going to be paying you $65 per each qualified sign up. So once you're able to get one people right here to sign up on this platform right here, and the person is able to purchase their domain. And by the way, if you don't know what this platform is all about, this platform is all about web hosting. For those who are into blogging, who want to get a domain for themselves, want to get a blog for themselves, want to get a website for themselves, so you could just refer them right here to Bluehost. And when the person make a purchase using Bluehost, you're going to be getting $65 right here. That is literally it right. And $65 right here in Nigeria is over 65,000 naira for one person. So you could just click on the join now button right here. So once you click on the join now button right here, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to sign up for their affiliate program. So they're going to ask you to put in your password, fill out your username, then confirm your password, and also select your country right here. So if you're in the US, if you're in Canada, Australia, Germany, France, or if you're in Nigeria, you could just put right here, put your country right here in this place. So once you're done with that, they're going to ask you to select your currency. That is, what kind of currency do you want to receive your money in? If you want to receive your money in USD, if you want to receive your money in British pounds, in Europe, in Australian dollars, and all of that. And by the way, if you do not have this kind of account right here, you could just go over to Payoneer right here to go create a foreign bank account. So Payoneer is going to give you a foreign bank account right here that you can literally link to your Bluehost account. So once you're done with that right here, you'll be able to log into Bluehost right here and start promoting their affiliate offers. And guys, if you want me to do a detailed video right here, literally walking you through how you can literally create an account on any of this platform right here, just go down to the comment right here and tell me the name of the platform you want me to do a video about, and I'm going to consider doing the video for you guys. So the next affiliate marketing platform right here on our list is called Remitano, and this is one of the best affiliate marketing program right here out there. And one thing I love about this program is that this affiliate marketing program is going to give you the ability to earn 40% lifetime commission on all of their referrals. So all you just need right here is to just bring in one person to their program right here, and you're going to be making 40% lifetime commission on all of your referrals. So for example, if you are able to get 20 people, so you are able to be making 40% lifetime commission on all of your referrals. So what you just need to do right here is to come over to their platform right here, create an account right here. So once you create an account, they're going to be accepting you into the affiliate marketing program. So if you don't know what this platform is all about, this platform is all about bitcoins, USDT and other kind of trading stuff. So if you're someone who is interested in trading, or you have any idea about trading bitcoins and all of that, so you could just refer your friends. So once you refer your friends right here to this platform, you're going to be making a commission on all the referral you refer right here on this platform. So if you found the video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel right here and give the video a like if you found the video helpful, because my channel is all about making money online. So if you're someone interested in making money online, I would advise you hit the subscribe button right here, because when I drop amazing video on how you can literally make money online, you're gonna be the first person to be notified, because I literally walk you through affiliate marketing, blogging. I share with you sites that could literally pay you real money right here online. And the next thing, guys, I would advise you go join our WhatsApp community group if you haven't joined our WhatsApp community group, because on our WhatsApp community group right here, we literally share with you how you can literally make money online, and also it also gives you the ability to get in touch with me. You're gonna see many group members that are making money right here in the group. So the link to our WhatsApp community is going to be down in the description. All the links are going to be down. So now that you already find the affiliate program that literally accepts all Nigerians right here, so the next thing for you right here is to start promoting your affiliate links. And the video popping right here on your screen right here is going to be teaching you how you can literally promote your affiliate link. Just click right here on the video popping right here on your screen to go watch the affiliate marketing program tutorial for beginners, and I'm going to see you guys in the next